To auto enable the exercise mode when you do any workout in Samsung Health in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap exercise, tap turn on automatically, and then tap the gray on off switch next to during exercise to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. As a note, enabling this option will automatically turn on any workout by default. Next, tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now the exercise mode will turn on automatically when you start doing any workout manually in Samsung Health on your phone or on your watch. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.